I am super dry, my skin's so sensitive, and today I'm gonna review Westman Atelier brand. Yes, this brand, it's perfect for dry skin, for sensitive skin, and if you're looking for a clean beauty brand, this is its brand for you. First item, it's liquid super loaded highlighter drop. $58. Yes, it is kind of pricey, but I will pay this money if you have, again, dry and sensitive skin or combination to dry skin. It's so pretty. It's come in 3 different colors. My color, it's rose, I believe. Oh, I grabbed, sorry, I showed you foundation. This is its highlighter. This is how it's look, highlighter. My color, it's the rose. It's a beautiful liquid, I will say beauty enhancing product. It just makes your skin looks much more pretty and better, glowing. And also I know a lot of makeup artists using this product, not just on the face, they also apply on the eyes. Very liquidy. Again, you can see it's a beautiful glow here. It has this rosy color. I'm gonna apply here, here, here. Oh, you know what? Let's put under my eyes too. I need to tell you, I did record video, full video with Westman Atelier products, and then when I give it to my daughter to upload it video and we start looking, everything is blurry. Now it's like 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm again recording video for you because tomorrow I need to go to work. I hope you can see how glowing this product. Again, if you are dry or combination to dry, yes. If you have oily to extremely oily skin, I don't think this is it's a right product for you because it's a lot of glow here. Then I have a clean beauty blender, and I don't want to be look glowy right here. I don't want to be too glowy right here. I'm just slightly absorbing this product. Then I'm gonna use liquid foundation. It's $68 Whiter Skin Complexion foundation. It's have almost 5-star at Nordstrom.com. To me personally, it's a sheer to light foundation. If you're gonna use a beauty blender, you can build to medium coverage, but it's definitely not full coverage foundation. You know, girls, I love full coverage foundation, but with beauty blender, I kind of like this foundation too. Let's shake this liquid foundation. It is very liquidy. Let me show you. I'm gonna use beauty blender and let's apply this foundation. Again, when you use a beauty blender, you can create almost medium coverage. Look at this side and this one. I think you can see a big difference. And also let me apply this foundation a little bit underneath my eyes because Westman Atelier don't have concealer. She has a foundation stick, and a lot of people using this foundation stick is a concealer, but it's not concealer. But shh, she's coming with concealers. I already know. I'm little bit light, but not full on. I'm gonna use Face Trace Contour Stick, $48 color biscuit. It's gonna make a it's gonna basically enhance my face. It's gonna give me a color, and I really like this product, how layering on my skin. To blend this product, I'm gonna use a clean beauty blender. Yes, for some reason I'm not in love with Westman Atelier brushes, but I do like to use beauty blender or my fingers. I feel so dark under my eyes. Yes, Westman Atelier do not have concealer, but I need to use a little bit, and I'm using North concealer. This full coverage concealer, but you know what? I believe this concealer also clean formula. Now let's use a little bit blush, and this is its color Petal. And I'm gonna use my finger because I love to use my finger for this beautiful blush. All our products, I feel it's layering better with fingers or beauty blender. Looks very natural, makeup no makeup look. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like or not? You know I am a double wear girl. I like full coverage, but I'm impressed. It looks really pretty, very glowing. I'm not sure like I will go to beach with this look because it's gonna melt on me, but definitely winter, Beaver Creek, it's waiting for me. It will be perfect foundation and formula in all this product for winter time, because then my skin it's not just dry, extremely dry. Now I'm gonna use a cream highlighter. Look at how cute this packaging. I really like and I really don't like. I know it's not makes sense because it's pretty, it feels luxurious, but it feels so heavy. I definitely not gonna bring with me to my vacation because packaging so heavy. This heavy, lipstick heavy, it's a lot of products, it's very heavy. It's a nice, beautiful, glowing, rosy undertone highlighter, and I'm just gonna put right here above my blush. Now I have like a clean spongy sponge, and right here where it looks very oily, yes, oily, I'm absorbing oil, and I'm gonna use Westman Atelier powder, and her powder is amazing. It's so cute. Okay, let me find, where did I put? Oh, it's right here, right here. It's so small, it's cute. Again, it's very heavy. And I don't know, maybe it's just only me or somebody else complain. It's so hard to open this container. It's like impossible. I need like a tape because my hands right now a little bit oily. It's so hard to open this product, but I just opened. It looks so pretty. My color, it's I believe cream. It looks like more transparent powder. It's sheer. It's not gonna give me a lot of I will say coverage. It's gonna set my makeup, but I really like how this product will minimize my pores. And now I have actually puff from Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna use this powder, and I kind of pushing this product inside. Sorry for my red hand and swollen. I fell down at Nordstrom and I'm still in pain. Okay, let's set this area where I have a large pores, and I don't want here glow, I don't want here glow, and I don't want here glow. It looks like almost transparent, but you can see right here how glowing my skin, right? And right here all glow, it's gone. And I like it's no talc and it's no perfume. I will say it's one of my favorite right now, setting powder. I think I even like more than Charlotte Tilbury. I just really like it's like powder, no powder. Okay, it looks so pretty. And now let's do my eyes. Yes, I have very unusual packaging eyeshadow. This is we have with you 3 different colors. Yes, but these colors, look how cute. They are magnetic, and you will open each and we have 3 different colors here. I swatched for you these 3 colors. It's a rendezvous eyeshadow combination. We have a beautiful peachy gold color, then we have green, and I love this green, and another it's like a brownish undertone color. Yes, they are very small and cute. You can take with you on vacation one, you can split them, but to me personally, I'm not crazy about these little containers. But let's try, let's see that this eyeshadow have a big pigments or not. When I touch them, when I play with them, they are feels cream to powder, but I don't feel we have enough pigment here. I feel they're really sheer, and I'm very surprised. Gucci, her person who creates this brand, her name is Gucci Westman. I really surprised she is a makeup artist, bring something so sheer. Oops, I think I make mistake. I say Gucci Atelier, it's Gucci Westman who creates this brand. Okay, let's continue. I'm gonna use Chanel double-ended brush. Personally, I feel Gucci Westman brushes, they're not my favorite, or I don't know how to work with them. I try with them, I play with them. I like only 2 brushes, rest of it's okay, and I think they too expensive. Okay, I'm gonna use a Chanel brush number 200. We have small brush and we have a big blending brush, and now we're gonna use first color. It's a green color with a small flat brush. I need to work and add a lot of color to this brush. Again, her eyeshadows, they're not pigmented, or they're not pigmented at all, but this is, I think this is the one color which one will give me nice beautiful pigment. But again, I apply on a flat brush. Oh, sorry. First color, it's done. Again, it's a beautiful green color. Now I'm gonna use a blending brush from MAC number 217S. I love this big blending brush. This brush we're gonna use for lighter color, and it's a peachy color. And again, you can see I applying a lot. I'm adding a lot this product, because if you're not gonna do, it's gonna go like almost nothing. But I want little bit eyeshadow on my eyes. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Okay, this is color I'm gonna apply above this green eyeshadow, and I just like very softly buffing on my eyelid right here. Oh, it's so pretty. It's no like sparkles, but it is very nice, beautiful glow. I have 2 colors, and so far I actually very happy. Now I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna slightly little bit push this green color up, and let's add the darker color in this eye combination, or eyeshadow combination, sorry. Like I mentioned before, I really like to use her products with my finger, and I'm gonna use my finger for this darker color. Again, it feels very creamy, and I'm gonna apply this darker color right here on the corner, and I slightly push a little bit up. And now let me blend a little bit with this big brush number 200 from Chanel. eyeshadow it's done, and yes, I create slightly dramatic look because I feel if I will use different way, you will not even see these colors. Little bit disappointed about this eyeshadow. They're not too rich. I don't feel they're gonna stay really good. Yes, I don't apply today any eyeshadow primer, but I don't think even eyeshadow primer will save this eyeshadow. If you dry, have a very dry eyelid, but you know what, we have a lot of glow here. I'm not sure. I'm not crazy, and it's $88. I think it's a little bit too much. And let's finish this eye look with Westman Atelier mascara. This is supposed to be volume mascara. It's not cheap. I like how it feels. It feels very heavy and luxurious, but again, I will not travel with this mascara. It's so heavy. Okay, let's try this mascara, and it's coming two colors, black and brown. I have black because you never can go wrong with black, right? Okay, I'm not sure if I like this mascara because I don't know, I need to work more than like 3-4 minutes to build volume. This very unusual formula. I feel like it's more like it's a gel formula, and my lashes looks very natural, but I like they looks very separate, but it's definitely not enough volume. And now let me show you this lipstick. Look how cute this lipstick. It is heavy again, but it feels very luxurious. It is $50. It's a matte hydrating lipstick. It's have a 3D flickering, I believe, hyaluronic formula here. And when you're gonna open this lipstick, you're gonna have a little mirror. This is so cute. I think when it's holidays coming and you wanna give it to somebody else, something different. It will be different, and it's very pretty. I choose color mix. It's such a beautiful soft color. Formula, it's very velvety but creamy and rich, but it is matte. It's not feels dry. I feel it's a little bit feels more sandy, creamy to me. I don't know if I explain correct or not, but this is how it feels to me. Creamy and sandy, velvety sandy. I love these colors. It looks so beautiful. Let me know, what do you think about this look? It's not me. I usually, full coverage, lots of makeup, but today I like this soft look. I look young and fresh, makeup no makeup look. And remember, I'm already 46, but I feel like I look 32. I hope, guys, you have a fun with me. Subscribe, comments below. I do need your help. I want to grow my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, love you more than ice cream.